Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm going to talk about something that may be putting you off using image manipulation software like GIMP, which I'm using here. Does the thought of using layers scream complicated to you? I'll admit, when I first started using GIMP, that was the apprehension that I had. But when you think about it, you've probably been using layers for many years without realizing it. If you've used any software where you're sending items to the front or the back, like PowerPoint for example, then you've been using layers without realizing it. You can see them all conveniently down the side of your screen. Using layers, you can simply click on the layer and then you can do any editing you need to the particular object. And don't worry about all the other functions that you have no idea what they are. Start simple. Just create an image with some text on it. That's 2 layers. Once you've got your confidence, you can start creating more complex images. For more GIMP videos, click here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time if you've subscribed.